Hello, welcome to Learning with Lisa. It's time to practice another sound. Here are your 3 clues for today. Jewel, jet, jumper. Say them with me this time. Jewel, jet, jumper. All these things start with the sound J. Today's new sound is J. J is for jewel. J, J, jewel. J is for jet. J, J, jet. J is for jumper. J, J, jumper. Let's practice saying J. Can you say J in a surprise voice? J. Can you say J in a sleepy voice? J. Let's do some sorting. Look at my pictures. I have some jeans, jigsaw, antelope, lemon, Jolly Roger, lorry. Give me a thumbs up if they start with the sound J and a thumbs down if they don't. Ready? Jeans. That's right, jeans starts with a J. Jigsaw. Yes, J is for jigsaw. Antelope. Antelope is a thumbs down. It's not a jantelope, it's an antelope. Lemon. Yes, lemon is a thumbs down too. It's not a gemon, it's a lemon. Lorry. That's right, that's a thumbs down. It's not a jolly, it's a lorry. Jolly Roger. Yes, Jolly Roger starts with a J. Jeans, jigsaw and Jolly Roger all start with the sound J. Let's practice writing J. Watch me first. Ready? Now it's your turn to practice writing J in the air. Use your magic finger to copy the dots. Well done. It's time to do some counting. How many jumpers have J on them? You might want to pause the video to count. Let's check if you were right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumpers have J on them. Today we practiced the initial sound J. There are lots more sounds to practice. Keep a lookout for my other videos and I'll see you again soon.